It's a bad man thing. See,
girl, I am so excited about this wig review. I'm late to this trainer. So welcome back to the channel. This is Wigs to Wasteland. You guys know, another quick wig show and tell. So let's get right into this review. This one is by It's a Wig in the style Cabrina. Yes, I am late to the Cabrina train. So here is her care card. If you are interested in this unit, then definitely check out my website, SAMSBEAUTY.com. You guys know they be coming with the units. So this is Miss Cabrina, and I have her in a number 2. And here is her cap construction. So there's no combs in the front. I know for some that is kind of like a deal breaker. For me, I don't use the combs. And here is one comb in the back with adjustable straps. I am surprised at how light it is. This is such a light unit. So if you are interested in seeing all that body, then go ahead and keep watching.
let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you smile.
Okay. DJ, cut the music. Cut the music. We gonna take a moment of silence. Do you guys see Miss Cabrina? Miss Cabrina. By far, best blunt cut bob, period. I mean, she blinging, baby. She blinging. And in a good way. This is a comfortable cap. Really doesn't even feel like I have a unit on my head. I am blown away. I am really blown away. I really was not feeling the texture, but in this color, girl, in this color, here is your parting space. I did not touch this parting space. I added pressed powder and that was it. Everything else, it was just like this out of the packs. It's just such a beautiful, beautiful bob. So here is your 360. Blown away. Blown TF away. Yes. So I really I know what you're thinking. Well, I know what some of you are thinking. Compared to Yara, compared to Juba, I really think they're kind of in different classes. I compared to Yara, this one is way better. I'm sorry. This one has sold me. I am just completely sold by this wig. This one is just a different style from Juba. Juba is longer, fuller, the texture's different, and she has a little bit of a bump to her, but she is still a bomb wig. But this one here, girl. Hold on. I want you guys to check this out real quick. What? I'm sorry, were you talking to me? Hi, how are you? Yes, this is that wig. This is that wig, girl. Ooh. I'm gonna stop holding up you guys' time, but as far as shedding, no tangling so far, but it rests on your shoulders, girls, so you cannot wear this every day. This is not something that you want to whip out and just wear consecutively because she will get stiff on you. But if you guys are interested in Miss Lace Cabrina, definitely check out SAMSBEAUTY.com. All their information is in the description box down below. You better cop you a unit because, I'm surprised this unit has not sold out. I really am. In this color, this is just bomb. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow your girl on Snapchat where you get sneak peeks of any wig review I do. And anything else that you guys can think of, go ahead and drop it down below and I'll talk to you in the next one. Not one piece, but 2.